Hello and welcome in this video. In this video, I want to have another example which I have written this statement on the screen to print the reverse of given number. What it means. For example, the user enters 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and the output will be 4, 5, 3, 2, 1. How to print the reverse? So, I want to have here some variables. For example, let's take a dummy value and also some number, and obviously reverse will initialized, and let's have enter a number. I just want a number from the user, and after that scanf, which store the value of with n. Let's initialize the dummy number. Dummy will be n. Now using a while loop, while n greater than 0, let's initialize another value, integer x. For example, x is assigned to n modulus 10, and reverse assigned to reverse multiply 10 and multiply x. So n is assigned to n divided by 10. Now let's print the reverse of number is number. Which number? Dummy, obviously, and reverse. What it means? It means that while we have this printf statement here, we just print the reverse and obviously the dummy number. Let's run this program, and after that I will explain once again. Yes, reverse is undefined. Enter a number. Same example, the reverse. Wow, why it not given the correct number? So here I want to put plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is the output. Now let me explain this. What happened here? In this line I have declared sum, and also I have initialized reverse with 0 and another variable. In this part I take number from the user, dummy as it doesn't, I think it doesn't need to be even declared. Well, I've just declared this because it will have a clear understanded part. So there is while loop I've used n greater than 0, and this is another because n divided by 10, the remainder will be assigned to x, and reverse is this equation, and obviously n is again this. So I've printed and you have seen the result.